All right, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove pilling from a sweater. Here I have my wife's sweater, which I inadvertently ran through the wash and the dryer. And as you can see, there are some pills that are appearing on the shirt. You can see this arm sleeve is actually pretty bad here. So what we're going to be doing is removing those pills with the safest method possible without damaging the sweater. And that method would be using actually a fine-tooth comb. So this is actually all you're going to need. You're not going to need a razor or tape or anything like that. You can actually see the side I actually did it on. It's looking a lot better. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to do the arm here. Try to do this with one hand. I'm just going to basically comb the sweater here in a upward kind of motion. You can see that these pills are already starting to be removed without damaging the sweater. So I'm just going to do a quick spot and show right here, really smooth, and you can see that up here all the pills are still on there. So that's basically it. Comes off pretty easily and you can just pull these off, throw it out, but that's the method.